Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carly for anyone who is new, and I'm so happy that you're here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything I just bought at Trader Joe's. So I spent around $100 and I just bought some really healthy, easy meals that I think you guys are going to really like. And again, I'm gluten-free, so everything in here is gluten-free unless it's for my husband, and then it's not gluten-free. But I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, and let's get into it. So let's start with the smoothie stuff. So I always get their organic mango and the organic pineapple. So my husband is allergic to bananas, so these are the fruits that we use to sweeten the smoothies. Here's some pitted cherries that always have a really good taste. And then I was thinking pasta sounded really tasty this week, so I got myself gluten-free pasta, and then I got Taylor the non-gluten-free pasta. And then I also got some almond flour. I love almond flour. I have my favorite waffle recipe it uses almond flour, and it's so delicious. I got some kidney beans in case I wanted to make chili again this week in my Instant Pot, since it's such an easy meal. These are just really easy to cook up and stuff if you're in a hurry, and one sausage is 110 calories, 3 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat, and 11 grams of protein. So it's just a really good healthy snack. And then this is the kind of butter I've been hearing really great things about, so I thought I'd give it a try for like avocado toast or anywhere I need butter. It's grass-fed, so it's always a much better option. I got some organic jasmine rice. I'm just going to keep this in the freezer in case I ever make like curry or anything where I need rice. And then organic brown rice. I've been seeing these a lot, the broccoli and kale pizza crust, so I'm really excited to try it. And then I ran out of, or I'm almost out of olive oil, so I just got their organic extra virgin olive oil. I watched Health Nut Nutrition's video, and she recommended this kale, so I'm really excited to put it in my smoothies. That's probably the only place I'll do it. If I don't go through it quick enough, I'll put it in the freezer. I got some unsweetened applesauce because I just think it's a good little snack. This candle, I already burnt it, but it smells amazing. The grapefruit candle. I would totally recommend it if you like grapefruit. These are just some burrito bowls that you can keep in the freezer. So it's just, this whole bowl is 370 calories, so it's kind of a bigger meal, but I figured Taylor would really like these. I got this for myself. It's a corn and quinoa salad, and it just looked really tasty. I've tried it before and it was calling my name, so I had to get it. I also got this salsa verde, and then I looked in my cupboard and I realized I already have one that I haven't gone through, but I got this frozen organic chicken. And I figured I could just put it in my Instant Pot and make like tacos with this chicken. I thought that would be really tasty. So the next thing is spaghetti sauce. I really never make spaghetti, but now that I have gluten-free noodles, I am totally gonna make it. Okay, so this is called dukkha, and we ate this in Australia a lot. So when we would go to restaurants, they'd bring you like a plate of bread, some olive oil, and then this spice in a little bowl. So you take a piece of bread, it's not cooked. You take a piece of bread, you dip it in the olive oil, and then you dip it in this spice. And I already opened it to show you guys what it looks like. So it's just a mix of like seeds and spices. Let me tell you guys exactly what's in it. It's almonds, sesame seeds, fennel seeds, coriander, anise seeds, and kosher salt. And it's just a really tasty snack, and I would put it on like avocado toast, or even dip it in olive oil and dip it in this seasoning if you wanted to. I miss eating it from Australia. And then everybody knows I love these, and I put them in the freezer. I get them every time I go, and they're just such a good treat. All that they are is all that's in them is honey, chocolate liquor, and oil of peppermint. And it's 3 pieces for 140 calories. So they're very natural. They're very, very tasty. And my last thing I got was these kitchen towels. I just thought they'd look so cute over in my kitchen with my like pink and blue theme that I have. So I've never bought their towels before, but it was a set of 3 for like $6, so I thought it was a good deal. Alright, I know this video was super short. I hope you guys liked it, and hopefully it will give you some ideas of what to buy next time you go to the grocery store. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.